So here's how you can use the Sell on Etsy app to rearrange the items in your Etsy shop. I'm working on an iPhone. I only know how to do this on iOS. So if you have an Android and the layout looks the same, then I assume the steps will be pretty much the same. So you're in your Etsy app, and right in the lower right hand corner, click on More. And that opens up this menu, and I'm just going to close that. Then click on Settings on the drop down arrow, and then go to Shop Settings, and then it opens the shop settings. Now scroll down in your shop settings till you get to the section where it says rearrange your shop right there, and then click on that. And so now you can rearrange the items in your shop. All you have to do is tap on the listing that you want to move. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move all the scrapbooking stamps to be next to each other. So I will tap on this fourth image there, and you see how they moved. And I'm going to move it up to position 2. So I'm going to tap on position 2 and it moves there. And then I'm going to tap on the image in the lower left hand corner, and I'm going to move it to position 3. So they're in order 1, 2, and 3. And then now I'm done with that. Just hit save in the top right hand corner. And once it's saved, you're done. And that's how you rearrange listings in your Etsy shop using the Sell on Etsy app.